Hey guys, Ted Leginski, Motor City Spindle Repair. For those of you guys in the CNC industry, you're probably familiar with the term eating the core. For those of you out there who are not familiar, essentially what happens is when a lot of customers, when they don't have spare spindles, they'll eat the core by ordering an exchange from the OEM to get up and running right away. And if you have a lot of machine tools, particularly the same make and model, this can really add a lot of attributes, a lot of positives to you guys. You can get up and running right away. Even if we're offering an emergency lead time, you're not delayed at all. And having spare spindles is awesome. Those are customers we want to work with. We love doing emergency repairs. It's our bread and butter, but we also like not being pushed all the time and not having to give emergency lead times. So at Motor City Spindle, if you reach out to us, we'll explain to you some of the things we're going to do to help you eat the core. We're stocking spindles here. We're doing spindles on consignment, and we're giving additional discounts to customers who are willing to eat a spare so that they have their own spindle, whether we own it or our customers own it. So interested in talking to you guys about that, interested in explaining exactly how the program works, and look forward to hearing from you guys. Thanks. Stay awesome.